On June 4th, a new pediatrics unit will open its doors to child patients in St. George. Parents, patients, and community members were invited to tour Intermountain's new pediatric unit during a special open house. They were welcomed by longtime pediatrician Dr. Nygaard, who is so happy about the new unit, he's singing about it.
Let us know if there's anything you need. Our nurses and staff here are anxious to succeed.
It's taken about 15 years for Dixie Regional Medical Center to combine its pediatrics clinics into one unit. Although it's located in Intermountain's new East Tower, the new pediatric unit is accessed through the hospital's south entrance.
12 beds is about what we need for our community, and that's for children that have to stay overnight in the hospital. So our average daily census is 4, meaning 4 children in the hospital that have to stay overnight.
Treating about 400 children every year, the 12-bed inpatient pediatric unit will be able to handle the needs of the community in a less intimidating environment.
We have game machines in the room. We have a library of children's movies for them to watch. We are lucky enough to have a great community that donates hand-woven blankets and quilts that we put on the beds, so they feel a little more at home than at the hospital.
The ribbon-cutting event was shared by the mayor, hospital staff, and cancer patient Lexi and her father. Lexi and her family were some of the first to tour the new unit. Lexi was diagnosed with acute lymphoblastic leukemia in March of 2017. This is where she will be coming back for her outpatient treatments. Lexi has been undergoing chemotherapy and is now in remission.
She's cancer-free, we're in maintenance, and we're moving forward. We're in the 3rd phase, just started 3rd phase. And so June 14th and then July 14th we'll be here for her treatments. It's just going great. She's doing amazing.
And she's how old?
She's going to be 5, June 14th.
A tour of the new patient room reveals all the comforts of home.
So right now we're in one of our new patient rooms. It's got equipped with their own TV, their own PlayStation, their own bathroom, and then we've got a couch that folds down into a parent bed. These rooms are color coordinated, so they're all different colors. We're going to have pictures hung up so that it looks exciting and inviting to our patients.
The new unit includes separate exam rooms, a playroom, and even a family room.
This is where families can come together and watch movies or play games.
The hospital even allows therapy dogs inside, helping the children feel even more at ease.
It's very soothing for people. It makes them just happy, even for a few minutes.
It looks like it's very well suited for kids. Lots of attention to detail. I like the paw prints of the animals because they're going to do pet therapy in here as part of the healing environment. So just a great unit.
The staff is especially excited about treating children in this new environment.
When we wheel a kid down with a wagon, they're going to see everybody and there's going to be waves and smiles, and that's what I'm really excited about, is just bringing pediatrics into the spotlight.
The open house included a scavenger hunt with a safari theme, with prizes and food at the end. And for Lexi's family, it's been a fun day to remember.
It's fun.
I'm very glad, very honored to be part of this, to have her to cut the ribbon. This is a huge event for us, and I'm just very thankful and very honored.
These people here, they really care about their patients, and they're just great.
Hi, Kenzie.
And Jamie.
And Jamie.
We're going to have newer abilities to treat little kids that have cancer and keep families together instead of splitting them up.
Hurrah for the pediatrician!
In St. George, Melissa Anderson, CEC News.